Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you create a password for your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create a password for your Bitget account, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. And after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this homepage. You just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Tap into there, and after that select your profile at very first. And after selecting your profile, just simply tap into this security option at very first. Tap to security and then scroll down until you see this option of login password. Just simply select login password, and after selecting the login password option, you just simply have to enter a new password for your account into the upper box and repeat the same password into the lower box. Then tap to submit button and your password will successfully be created. This way you can very easily create your password for your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.